Really big. You want to come do this? Huh? I got it. Yep. No. Right here. Like that. Yep. Right on the top. Give it a pop. There you go.
Next.
What do you get? Ray. There you go.
Hi, I'm Dan.
Ray.
This is a muzzle load.
How'd you do, Malachi?
This is the black powder. You start with the powder first.
All the way down?
Okay, who's my next victim?
All out.
Right.
Your turn.
Down. Give it up.
You can't get behind it and push it.
There you go.
It creates all sorts of trouble.
And ears. Go ahead and have a seat. Have you ever shot before?
Yeah.
Okay, so you know how to get comfortable?
Yeah.
All right. This is Epcot right now. Just get comfortable and let me know when you're ready. Get your finger out of there. It's fully loaded and ready to go. I'm going to stand behind you when you're ready and fire.
All right.
Then I'm going to put priming powder in the pan. That's what we call the pan. So you can see that's there. Then I take this pick and I make sure the hole in the side of the barrel is clear. And I'll click it down. Okay, so now what you're going to do to make the gun go bang is you're going to pull this back one click and you're going to squeeze that front trigger. You put the top of this sight with the top of that sight with the middle of the target.
Okay.
Okay? So go ahead and put those on. Pretty straightforward, right? Have a seat. Get nice and tight against your shoulder. There you go.
Are you ready?
A little bit.
There you go. You're
Okay.
good.
Good job.
Uh-oh. That foot's dull. You wipe it off. Might have to go get the hammer and sharpen it. Okay, try it again. Wrong trigger. Wrong trigger. Put your finger up that trigger. There you go. Oh, shoot. I'll be right back. I got it for safety so it doesn't go off.
Hold it. You can do that.
Then I'm going to sharpen it just by tapping the edges and break a little bit off.
Ready?
There. Now it's much sharper than it was. So now it should work.
Okay.
And a deer got away.
What target am I trying to hit?
I'd go for the big orange one. That's the easiest one to hit.
Okay. All right. You are fully
Tight
ready to
against
go.
your shoulder
So
there.
step back,
Yep,
and
there
when
you
you
go.
are ready,
Move your finger forward.
aim and fire.
There you go. Oh, and cock it. Here, I'll cock it for you. There you go.
Very good.
I shot a revolver before, but I normally shoot guns.
So you got the general idea of how to shoot a gun, right? Yeah. All right. Eyes and ears clear? Ah! Hold on. The cap's disappeared. Put that up to your shoulder. Hold the first one. I will put a cap on there. You got your sights lined up to where you want them to be?
Yeah.
Got that? All right. Hold on. I will put this cap on. And then when you are ready, you are free to shoot away.
Is it this one?
First, one more up.
Oh.
It's kind of a hard pull. No?
Just have a seat and lay the rifle down. For safety reasons, sometimes